Okay, this is the Year 10 mock exam, April 2018, covering P1, 2 and 3. Well, part of P3, I think there was a little bit of P3 it wasn't covering. So, let's see, we'll start on the multiple choice. Okay. Which of the following is a contact force? Well, contact force means the objects have to be in touch with each other, physically touching, for there to be a force. Electrostatic, that doesn't. Friction, things have to be touching for there to be friction. Gravity, well, gravity happens across space. Magnetism can happen across space as well. So the only one that is a contact force is friction, so that one is B. Okay, what's the correct definition for density? Density is an equation you're expected to remember. If you remember density island, so density equals broken heart. So it's m over v, mass divided by volume. So that is B. Okay. Which of the following is a vector? Now, a vector is one that's got a size or a magnitude and of direction as well. You're expected to remember a few of the examples. The most common example of a vector is the one that begins with v, which is velocity, but that's not on here. Speed is an example of a scalar, not a vector, so it's not that one. Mass, you can't have mass in a certain direction. Now distance and displacement kind of go hand in hand. Distance is when you don't have a direction. Displacement is with the direction. So actually displacement is a vector quantity. So that is A. Right. Okay, number 4. Which one correctly describes an electrical current? Now, an electric current is when you have charges moving. It's a flow of charge. It's how many charges move per second. It's not a rate of flow of potential difference. That potential difference doesn't flow anywhere. Potential difference is just a measurement between places. Rate of flow of energy, well, energy per unit of time is just power. Anything that says rate of flow means how much per second. So energy per second is power. Coulombs per second, well, it's like electrical current, but this is actually coulombs per second is amps. Amps is the measurement, current is the kind of effect, really. So it's a rate of flow of charge, although you could kind of, could potentially think that it was B, it's actually A. A is current. If they said which correctly describes the amp as a measurement unit, that would be rate of flow of coulombs. But even then, it would be coulombs per second. So the answer is A. It's the rate of flow of electric charge.